Manuel Garabay here with my E23 video blog, and I brought my E23 to the local detail shop, getting it all ready, dolled up and cleaned up for the auto show, for the car show on Saturday. Auto show, car show, I get them mixed up, same thing to me. But I know that the car show is for new cars and future cars. Or what? No, I'm saying it wrong. The auto show is for new cars and future cars. And the car show is just for fanatics that have old classics. So here it is. I will be uploading video of the auto show. I'm sorry, for the car show pretty soon here. Today is Thursday. The car show will be on Saturday. So stay tuned, because there will be a lot more videos coming up. I am back from the detail shop, and they did a very good job. I'm surprised. They machine buffed the whole car. They washed my carpets, and they did the whole interior. And I think they did a good job. Well, the engine bay is still pretty clean from when I got it from Cereal Marshmallows there, but yeah, they did a great job. I know that a few days ago my son spilled the Coke back here, and they did a good job. They cleaned it up really good. Well, thanks for watching. We'll give you another video later on.